Today we are going to focus on the stock into the builder software. How to configure the stock and how to manage the stock into the software. So I need to configure the stock first in the builder software. So I just log in into the admin. I'm just going to log in into the admin by putting the password. Just go to the master. In master you will find the software setting. In software the setting, just go to the stock check. Actually there are the three most parameters to start the stock into the software. That is the stock check, and second is the allow sell with the negative balance, and perform day end without checking stock. This is a these are the three parameters where we must consider to start the stock in the software. First of all, this is the most important thing. To start the software you need to enable the stock check parameters. So I am enabling this by pressing the mouse on this box to enable the stock check. Stock check, it means it will start the stock into your software to manage the stock into the builder software. This is the two parameters which are not so important, but some rights, some process behind that. Allow item sell with the negative balance and perform day end without checking the stock. I'm just first considering on the allow item sell with the negative balance. Allow item sell negative balance means that if you are purchasing some product from the outside, and your manager not having the time, or he is busy with some important work and he is not able to enter the stock into the software, but that stock is available on your counter, while your operator is going to sell the item, but he is not able to sell that product because that the stock is not entered into the software. So he must enter that the stock into the software. Till that your software will not allow you to sell that the product to the customer. So sometime this may be happen. So this is the luxury I'm giving you, the user, to allow the stock with the negative balance also. So if it is totally depend on the restaurant to restaurant whether they are going to allow this option or disable this option. So I'm just going to just allow right now, because next time enabling this option. Now second option is that the day end, perform day end without checking the stock. Perform day end without checking the same thing, just like the allowing the sale with negative balance, but it is on the if I am allowing the sale with the negative balance. So your user can allow going to sale with the negative balance also. But until end your manager is still not able to enter the stock, but maybe some problem, he may be left out the day, or maybe something happened with him, so he's not able to put the stock into the software. So while performing the day end, the user may get stuck because that the stock is not entered, and only your manager having the rights. So maybe this is the positions where you can allow the user to perform the day end without checking the stock also. Checking the stock, while checking the stock, the software will check whether the negative balance is available. If the negative balance is available, so he will request your user to add the purchase stock into the software. If you are enabling this, so these are the rights will not the software will not ask your user to perform the day end, whether he will straightforward go without checking the stock, he will perform the day end also. So this is enabling or disabling, it is totally depend on you how you can check that stock. But I'm strictly going with the parameter that disabling this parameter, because I don't want to perform the day end without checking the stock. If the negative stock is available in my software, that software must inform to my user that the stock is negative and he must enter the today's purchase in my software. So these are the software settings where I can configure the stock with this help of these parameters. Now I'm going to update. Now just closing down the software. This is the process how to configure the software, how to configure the stock in my software.